Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking onto the video. Today we're going to be looking at classifying reactions. So we're going to look at addition, elimination, substitution, oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, and polymerization reactions. Now we're going to talk about different types of reactions that you'll need to know how to identify. So the first one is addition reactions. And addition reactions are reactions where an atom or group of atoms is added to a molecule without taking anything away. So what you'll come to find is actually all of these names kind of give you an indication of what actually happens in these reactions. So because it's called an addition reaction, we're just adding stuff to the molecule. An elimination reaction is a reaction where a pair of atoms or group of atoms are removed from a molecule. Substitution reactions are reactions where an atom or group of atoms is replaced by a different atom or group of atoms. Oxidation you've already seen before, but as a reminder, that's a reaction in which an atom or group of atoms loses electrons. And reduction is the opposite, so a reaction in which an atom or group of atoms gains electrons. Hydrolysis is a reaction of a compound or ion with water. And finally, polymerization is a reaction in which monomers, which are single units, join together to make longer chains, which we call polymers. And we'll be looking at polymerization a bit later. So I've got a few examples at the bottom of the page. So the first one, we can see that we're using many ethene molecules. So ethene is actually a monomer. There's a single unit, and we're joining loads and loads together to make polyethene. And this is actually a polymerization reaction. And then if we look at the reaction that's happening below that, we have ethane reacting with bromine to form bromoethane and hydrogen bromide. So what's happened is that one of the bromides from the bromine has substituted a hydrogen from a CH3, and so this is a substitution reaction. And then if we look at this one here, what's happening is that we're getting rid of the OH, and it's going to form a double bond. And so this is an elimination reaction because we've got rid of that alcohol. So we've got rid of the OH. And then looking below that, we then have a molecule which is being reacted with water. And so this is a hydrolysis reaction. And then finally, we have a reaction where we have ethene and bromine. And what's happening is that we're adding bromine to it. And so this is an addition reaction. And with oxidation and reduction, you've already seen them before, but I'll give you a quick reminder. So oxidation is where it loses electrons. So for example, we could have Fe2 plus, and it could go and form Fe3 plus and an electron by oxidation. Or if we write it the other way around, so if we have Fe3 plus an electron to form Fe2 plus, this would be reduction of the Fe3 plus ion.